5. 4. 2.
Presenting Boat Rockers 400 on-ear headphones that is ultra lightweight and comfortable for extended use. This headphone comes with dual mode, allowing for both wired and wireless connectivity. It also comes with noise-cancelling microphone that provides clearer calls even in noisy environments. The Boat headphone features a 250 mAh rechargeable battery that gives up to 8 hours of playback time and up to 100 hours of standby time. This on-ear headphone is feather light, making it comfortable for all-day wear. It comes with soft ear cushions for added comfort. Its foldable design makes it compact and easily portable. Boat Rockers 400 Bluetooth headphones are engineered with passive noise cancellation for an immersive audio experience. The headphone features 40 mm drivers that delivers crisp and powerful HD sound with powerful bass to enhance your movie watching or music playback experience. The headphone comes with Bluetooth connectivity. It also comes with a 3.5 mm slot for wired connectivity. It comes with easy controls to manage your music and calls. The headphone is available in black-blue, black-red, carbon black and grey-green color variants. Inside the box you will find wireless headphone, audio cable, charging cable and manual. This product comes with standard brand warranty. You can pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10 days return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.
1.